There are a number of prerequisites to be achieved before driver training, and Module 3 practical driving test can be carried out, and the requirements are different depending on the category of license you are applying for. Before you can participate in any driver training course, you must first have a medical report form filled in by a doctor and have a provisional license for the category you are applying for. The medical is part of this application. You can apply for your provisional driving license by completing the DL2 application form, which is available from main post office branches, or you can apply online with NI Direct. When applying for the Category C provisional, you can tick all goods vehicles in Section 2A on the DL2 form at no extra cost, which gives you provisional entitlement for categories C1, C1E, and C. For each license type, there are additional requirements. Before completing the practical driver training for a Category C license, formerly known as Class 2, you must also complete Module 1A, the multiple choice test. Module 1B, this is the hazard perception test. And Module 2, this is the driver CPC case study. This is only required if you wish to drive professionally. When you have achieved all of these prerequisites, only then can you complete the practical driver training. In addition, if you want to drive professionally, you will not be fully qualified until you have also completed Module 4. This is the show and tell test, which forms part of your initial driver CPC qualification. As part of your driver training, Transport Training Services will complete your Module 4 test with you, and this is included in the price. If you are booking the practical training anywhere else, make sure the Module 4 is included. Many driver training companies do not include this in the price, and until you complete the Module 4, you will not be entitled to drive professionally. The prerequisites for Category C plus E, formerly known as Class 1 or Arctic, are similar to Category C. And you must first have a Category C license. You cannot attain a Category C plus E license without first holding Category C. You should already have your driver qualification card from completing your Category C training. If you don't have this, you most likely haven't achieved Modules 2 and 4 as part of your previous training. These will need to be done in addition. Module 2 should be completed directly with the DVA. If you need Module 4, please contact us to arrange. A Category D license entitles you to drive a bus or coach with more than 8 passenger seats. The D1 category is for driving a minibus with 9 to 16 passenger seats. The prerequisites for a Category D or Category D1 license are broadly similar to the LGV Category C requirements. Unlike with LGV training, you do not need to gain a Category D1 license prior to gaining a Category D license, but if you tick categories D1 and D on the DL2 provisional license application form, and you successfully complete the Category D test, you will gain both categories. In fact, you can tick all goods vehicles and passenger carrying vehicles in Section 2A of the DL2 form, which will give you provisional entitlement for lorry and bus categories, including C1, C1E, C, D1, D1E, and D at no extra cost. In addition, for a Category D or D1 license, you must have an Access NI check completed before completing the practical training. Module 4 is not a prerequisite, but Transport Training Services will put you through this test as part of the training delivered. Provided you have completed all of the prerequisites for the driver training course you are applying for, we can have you qualified within 1 week. We understand this can be confusing. That's why our experienced team is on hand to answer any questions you may have. Please contact us by phone, email, or web chat, and we will be happy to help. Before calling, please be prepared with the following information: what stage of the process you are at currently, which license you would like to train for, which license categories you currently have, including the dates you passed your tests. The dates are shown on the back of your license. We look forward to seeing you at the TTS training facility very soon, and good luck.